Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department Admission Ceremony for January 10, 2022. Ms. Guerrero?
Thank you. May it please the court. Good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness. I'm honored to present 32 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. So normally when we are presented with a motion, we would be tired to discuss it, to consider it. Obviously, a motion of this consequence, we prepared in advance and we've considered it, and the motion is granted. Ms. Guerrero, again, thank you and your committee for your tireless work, your professionalism during these really difficult times. Thank you very much. Now the clerk of the court, Ms. Susanna Rojas, will deliver the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you all to unmute your microphones and respond by saying "I do." At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Make sure that your right hands are on your screen, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Attorneys, that sounds really nice, doesn't it? Congratulations to all of you. It is a tradition of this court that one of the members of the court give a short address to you. That privilege and honor falls to my colleague, Justice Scarpula. Justice Scarpula?
Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, Council. I'm very excited to be now the second to officially call you that. On behalf of my fellow justices, I welcome you as members of the Bar of the State of New York. What a wonderful achievement for you and your loved ones. Getting to this point has involved a lot of hard work, perseverance, and sacrifice. And your commitment to becoming a lawyer has been made so much more complicated by the pandemic. Many of you spent a lot of your law school experience studying remotely, and even now have not yet experienced practicing law in a courtroom or an office building. That is something 2 years ago I don't think I ever would have thought that I would be saying. Most especially during these stressful and uncertain pandemic times, the practice of law is so important. I think that, like me, you will find that practicing law is challenging, sometimes frustrating, but ultimately very fulfilling. So as you begin your practice, I urge you to do these things. First, be diligent. Put in the time and the effort and do your best for your clients and for the legal profession. Be thoughtful and creative with your lawyering. Keep in contact with your clients, your adversaries, and the court. Meet your deadlines. Always remember that for your clients, the issue that you are dealing with is very important. Be principled. Make sure that you maintain your legal practice ethically, that you don't cut corners, and that you treat your clients, your adversaries, and the court with the same respect and courtesy with which you want to be treated. Be righteous. As a lawyer, you are in a unique position to protect, preserve, and strengthen our human community. Stand up for humankind and use your skills not only for your clients, but also for the public good. Do pro bono work. Volunteer your time and legal talents to assist people and organizations who have great need, but little or no means. Honestly, I have found that volunteering gives me so much joy, and I think it will for you too. Show our human community that lawyers should be admired for their dedication to bettering the human and non-human condition. Be grateful and show your gratitude. Always remember how lucky you are to have the opportunity to practice law and to engage in a lucrative and fulfilling career. Many, many people do not have that same opportunity. Be grateful to your loved ones and anyone who supports and mentors you as you begin your legal career and throughout your career. Remember that no one succeeds on their own. As stated most succinctly by Justice Thurgood Marshall, none of us got where we are solely by pulling ourselves up by our bootstraps. We got here because somebody, a parent, a teacher, an Ivy League crony, or a few nuns, bent down and helped us pick up our boots. As you move through your career, remember to bend down and help someone else pick up their boots. You know, we all wish that we were doing this ceremony in the beautiful First Department Courthouse. We can't right now, but I encourage you to come to the courthouse in the future, particularly at a time when your love of the law is flagging. This beautiful building is so inspiring, and when you enter, I hope that you will be reinvigorated and remember this great virtual day, which marks the beginning of your journey. We wish you good luck and good lawyering. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge Scarpula. Although I got flashbacks with the reference to the nuns. But anyhow, thank you all very much. Congratulations to all of you. Take care, stay safe. That concludes the admission ceremony for today, January 10, 2022.
Thank you to Justice Weber, the entire bench, and Ms. Rojas. They will now log off, and I will stay on with the new attorneys.